Hi, thanks for joining Clear Water Prowash. We just had the opportunity to clean this home. It is a white Hardie plank. They found this on the pile bubble, so I appreciate that for the referrals. We killed all the organics. We deep cleaned, hand cleaned the window sills. We hand cleaned the ceiling fan, the sliding door bottoms, also the lights, and then we also wash the wood gently, and then we dry it off so you don't have water droplet stains. And we also water in and cover the landscaping as needed, but we watered in before and after as well. So thank you very much. We do appreciate your business.